What you're looking at right now is one of the better value plays in Orlando real estate. This is a great fix and flip. This would be a great fix and hold long term as a rental. Also be a great for the BRRRR strategy, where basically fix it up. I think you could probably own it for free by the time you put some money into it, refinance it, take your cash back out down the line. This is 600 Madison Avenue in Spring Lake Manor of Orlando. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2,142 square feet of living space, sitting on nearly a third of an acre. Asking price is only $230,000. The first thing investors always ask about is the roof. It's brand new, installed just last month. It's a major capital expense you won't have to think about for years. You can see the carnage from when they replaced the roof here. You've also got a massive 2-car carport, a mostly fenced-in lot, easy access to I-4 and the 408. Inside here, you've got an open floor plan with high ceilings. This place feels big because it is big. Concrete block construction on a concrete slab foundation, built in 1953. Multiple additions over the years, so the square footage grew over time. It does have very solid bones. Now here's where it gets interesting for investors. Let me give you a quick comp picture. There's 2 active listings nearby, one at $364,000 and one at $299,000. Both are remodeled and both are over 1,000 square feet smaller. Yeah, quite a bit, half the size smaller than this property. Recently sold 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom on Arlington Street, just closed at $355,000 in May. It was 400 square feet smaller. I'll show you a picture of that here in a second. If you're not afraid of a renovation project, this property has serious upside. You're buying well below the neighborhood's own ceiling, with more space around it than currently anything else. All offers will be considered, and third-party financing may be available to qualified buyers. I'm Matt, the real estate guy with Sloan Realty. If you want to schedule a walkthrough or talk numbers, reach out direct. The link is right below in the video.